guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a Immaculate two-story house for sale. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It sits on a sprawling 1.23 acre of land at Cedar Garden in Mandeville. Cedar Garden is a highly sought after middle-income neighborhood. On the main entry level is a kitchen, dining room, 2 living rooms, a bedroom with ensuite bathroom, a powder room, and a spacious laundry room. On the second floor is a sizable primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom with jetted tub, shower stall, and a generous walk-in closet. Also on the upper level is a sizable sitting room, a study, 2 other bedrooms, one to the rear of the building and the other positioned to the front, both sharing 1 bathroom and an enclosed patio which can be accessed from the primary bedroom, upper sitting room, and one of the other bedrooms. The house has double-door garage with automatic doors, reservoir for backup water supply, and an outdoor shed for storage. An automatic gate gives access to the property, whose grounds are beautifully landscaped with fruit trees and ornamental plants, creating a picturesque and serene environment. Contact your realtor of choice to schedule a viewing appointment for this gem in central Jamaica. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
The new asking price for this house is Jamaican 72 million, US 456.3 thousand, Canadian 653.2 thousand, Euro 419.1 thousand, or 354.6 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.